Sue asked me if I would be the speaker that night. And I went, no. And she said, yeah, I'll be up there with you and we'll do it together. And I said, okay. So this is the story I told. It was true then and it's true now. I was working in nursing, and well, maybe back up a little bit. I was in my car and I was sitting at the stop sign across the street from Unity. There's that little playground, and I was sitting at that stop sign and I was looking for traffic. And I said, Sue Baggett, you know what? I'd like to meet her. And then I saw the time of day for the service, and I said, well, you know what? I can make that. So I came, and it was like on my birthday or that birthday week. And I remember seeing Sue. In those days, she walked up the side aisle. She'd come in those double doors and walk up the side aisle. And I was sitting on the edge of that aisle. And she was wearing a beautiful black shawl with stars and the moon on it. And I went, oh my God, I know I'm supposed to be here. And I cried and cried the whole service. And afterward, I stayed after and I talked to her, and she was she was a light in my tunnel of darkness. And she started seeing me every week, counseling me. She saw me weekly for over a year, I think 18 months. And she saved my life.
So when you came to Unity, who was the first person that gave you a hug or welcomed you here?
I think it was Tom Long. You know, I was thinking about that. That's what I remember, Tom Long. And we became friends, yeah.
So I'm interested in what one of your favorite teachings or lessons of Unity is.
That we are all God. We come from God and we are God. We are all God. I think that we accept everybody. And when I talk to people on the street about Unity, that's what I say. We are non-dominational. We don't tell you what to believe. You bring your own beliefs, and then you decide if they work for you. We don't exclude anybody. Everybody is welcome. And that's big for me because I never felt like I fit anywhere. And I do fit here. And thank you for reminding me of that, because I've been not coming and not really knowing why. And I guess sometimes we forget our blessings, you know. So
what's your favorite word?
My favorite word, dream. I have a spirit guide. I read Sonia Choquette and Suzanne Giesman. I have a spirit guide, and I went through the process in her book, and I found it. The name of my guide came to me. It was almost instantaneous, and it happened exactly the way she said it would. I just went, oh my gosh, that's it. And her name is Cloud, and she sits usually right here on my right shoulder. So I guess that would be my favorite word. Or the other one, not runner up, but equal, would be Abby Road, my dog.
Your precious dog.
Who's actually here right now with us. I can sense her. She's here now. She's with me everywhere. Yeah.